Hello and welcome. You are now looking at the web-based app Trello. You can find Trello at Trello.com. And Trello.com to sign up is free. It is an application for productivity and organization, making use of cards, boards, and teams. What makes Trello unique is that users can organize their information visually. That means then that they can clarify to both teams and those looking at their information exactly what they mean in real time. One of the benefits of Trello is that you can spontaneously create any team of any number, and you can actually have varying teams to work on specific projects. And because Trello exists on both iOS and Android, it means that individuals can work in real time on their mobile device. Although the application is used by solopreneurs and individuals, it's also used by large corporations and teams within those large corporations. Now, to get started with a free account, you can click the sign up button. But before that, we want to take a look at the pricing options. Going to the pricing options, you'll note that Trello has a free version, and we'll primarily be working with that version in the course. However, there's also a business class level. One of the main differences between the paid version and the free version is that you get an extra level of organization, and you can actually categorize your boards with collections. And you'll find out more about what that means once the course begins. You'll also have integrations, and integrations are called power-ups in Trello. Trello gives you unlimited power-ups in its paid version and only one power-up in the free version. And power-ups allow you to integrate Trello with applications such as Google Hangouts, MailChimp, Dropbox, Evernote, and others. Now, it's important to note that the $9.95 pricing is available per month when it's paid annually. The actual month, if you are going to pay on a monthly basis, month to month, is going to be $12.50. And to get started, you'll need to write a name, email address, and password in order to create your new account. You can also sign up with your Google account, and this will actually make it easier for you to integrate applications such as Google Drive. So once you've created your name, email, and password, you can go ahead and create your new account and sign in. And once you're signed in, you'll have access to the dashboard and the interface, and you will be ready to begin collaborating with Trello. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.